Welcome, in front of me I have DOOGEE N30 and today I will show you how camera Pro mode looks in this smartphone. So the Pro mode you can find right here, and what we got here, the three options only. We got here the white balance. So in top here we can quickly change temperature on our photo. Take a look. So we got cloudy, fluorescent, daylight, I don't know how to spell it, and auto. And as you can see, that's how the temperature changed. For example, we can go for the daylight looks nice. Here we got the ISO, so we can change brightness of brightness on our photo. So we can go for 160, for 1060. And here we got the exposure. We can go maybe like that and take a photo, and then just compare with the normal mode and take a look. There's the difference. So there's the photo with normal mode and this one with Pro mode. As you can see, the photo taken with Pro mode is much brighter because here we can easily change the brightness level on our photo with ISO value. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.